Okay, YouTube. Well, I wanted to show some of the construction here. And if you look at this piece right here, it's narrow up here and wider down here. And I'm not concerned so much with the parts fitting together really tight because I've got caulk in between every part. And this part right here is the same way. It's wider down here than it is up here. Alright. And then I've got nails in right here, and those are going to be set into wood. It's not really critical because this is just a barn. And another thing is that siding is, even though this is uneven right here, siding is going to be put over this.
What I did here was I put a caulk around the window opening, and then I've got these two screws here, one over here, to keep the window from coming out this way, falling and breaking. And now I've got one screw in there to hold it temporarily, and then we'll level it, or make sure it's plumb. Well, what I did here was I'm trying to secure this window into the opening so that it doesn't fall out. And what I did was I took this little board here, put a screw up here and one down here, and then I was able to, once I got those two in there, then I was able to secure the bottom of this window with this screw here. And I'm going to do that over here on this side with this piece of wood here. So it's starting to rain outside, and so I can work inside then. Okay, well, I've got this lid here, and I've got my piece glued in right there, and now I've got to sand it down. So we'll have to look for my sanding block. My new shelf system, I've got a new bunch of shelves laid up there on this side over here, which you can't see, I guess. And then I'll go get some sandpaper first of all. Well, now we're going to go through the long process of using these various grits of sandpaper, and I found that the best thing to do is to take my rubber sanding block and just wrap the sandpaper around it and go to work. And blow it off a little bit. Blow off the sandpaper. Then lay this aside. This is 180. I've already hit it with 100. So the next one we're going to go to is 220. I believe I'll use that one. I think I'll go back to 180. Sometimes you have to go back and forth. Plus that 220 wasn't very good. And I've got a piece of cloth down here so that I don't damage the lid while I'm working on it. Make sure it's on the cloth. Now we'll try our 220 again. Only this time a better piece. Gets all over everything.